Hey travelers, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking into one of Scandinavia's most charming destinations, Oslo, the capital city of Norway. If you're planning a trip to this incredible city, you're probably wondering, where should I stay? In this video, we are going to reveal the 10 best hotels in Oslo. Whether you want luxury, location, style, or budget-friendly comfort, this list of top Oslo hotels has something for every traveler. From boutique gems to 5-star elegance, here are the best places to stay in Oslo. Let's go to Norway. Let's begin our countdown with one of the most famous hotels in the city. Amerikalinjen is one of Oslo's most iconic boutique hotels, blending historic charm with modern luxury. Located in the heart of the city, this hotel was originally the headquarters of the Norwegian Amerikalinjen. Today, it offers beautifully designed rooms that showcase Art Deco inspiration, high ceilings, and plush furnishings. It's perfect for travelers who appreciate style, history, and location all in one, and has a strong sense of Norwegian culture and design. For comfort, convenience, and a touch of style, Thon Hotel Rosenkrantz is one of the best mid-range hotels in Oslo. Located right next to Karl Gate, the city's main street, this hotel is ideal for those who want to be in the middle of everything. Museums, shopping, and the Royal Palace are all within easy walking distance. The rooms are bright, colorful, and thoughtfully designed. Guests enjoy a complimentary breakfast that's often praised as one of the best in Oslo. Situated in a historic building dating back to the 1910s, Hotel Christiania Teater offers a unique blend of old-world charm and contemporary design. Each room is individually styled, with plush bedding, curated artwork, and modern bathrooms. The hotel also features a stylish Italian restaurant, Teater, that's popular with both guests and locals. With its dramatic decor and central location, this hotel appeals to travelers looking for something a little different. Christiania Teater is a fantastic choice if you appreciate history and design. Hotel Continental is one of Oslo's few independently owned luxury hotels, and it's a landmark in the city. Located right across from the National Theater, this 5-star hotel offers a refined, classic European atmosphere with Norwegian flair. The rooms are elegant and timeless, while there are several dining options, including the legendary Theater Cafe, a favorite among Oslo's cultural elite. If you're looking for a truly upscale experience in Oslo, Hotel Continental should be your go-to. If you're enjoying this video, can we ask you to hit that subscribe button to show your appreciation and to see many more excellent travel videos? Thank you. Sommerro is Oslo's newest luxury hotel, and it's already making waves for its Art Deco design, rooftop pool, and world-class spa. The wellness area includes saunas, a cold plunge, and a fitness center. Housed in a beautifully restored 1930s building in the Frogner district, Sommerro offers a fresh and glamorous take on Norwegian hospitality. Rooms at Sommerro feature rich textiles and unique lighting, while the hotel boasts several restaurants and bars, including the rooftop Tak Oslo, which offers panoramic views of the city. If you're looking for height and convenience, Radisson Blue Plaza Hotel is hard to beat. This towering skyscraper is the tallest hotel in Norway, offering sweeping views over Oslo and the Oslofjord. Located right next to Oslo Central Station, it's perfect for travelers coming in by train or plane. Rooms are sleek and modern, with floor-to-ceiling windows and minimalist Scandinavian decor. Conference facilities also make it a top choice for business travelers. Anker Hotel is one of the best budget-friendly hotels in Oslo without compromising comfort. Located near the trendy Grünerløkka district, it's a short tram ride or 15-minute walk from the city center, giving you a quieter stay with easy access to the action. Rooms are simple but clean and functional, with options for singles, couples, and families. The hotel includes a bar and a welcoming and spacious breakfast area. It's especially popular with young travelers and those on a tighter budget. Hotel Bristol is one of Oslo's most beloved historic hotels, offering a timeless, elegant atmosphere with modern comforts. Located just steps from Karl Johan's gate, this hotel is perfect for travelers who want to be near Oslo's top sights. The hotel features a library-themed bar and a stunning conservatory where guests can enjoy afternoon tea or a cozy drink in the evening. For a refined stay with a touch of old-world glamour, Hotel Bristol is a top pick. It's especially popular with anyone who enjoys a sophisticated atmosphere with excellent service. Karl Johan Hotel is a charming, centrally located hotel that puts you right on Oslo's most famous street. It's an excellent base for sightseeing, with the Royal Palace, Parliament, and shopping districts just steps away. Recently renovated, the rooms blend Scandinavian minimalism with cozy touches like wood accents and soft lighting. If location is your #1 priority, Karl Johan Hotel delivers. It's ideal for first-time visitors to Oslo who want convenience, comfort, and value for money. Last but not least, the Thief is Oslo's most stylish and luxurious hotel, located in the upscale Tjuvholmen neighborhood. Known for its contemporary art collection, designer interiors, and waterfront views, the Thief is more than a hotel, it's an experience. Each room is a masterpiece of design, with high-tech features, mood lighting, and balconies overlooking the Oslofjord or modern art installations. The hotel also offers a world-class spa, a rooftop bar, and an award-winning restaurant. If you're looking to splurge and experience Oslo in total style, the Thief is where you want to be. So there you have it, the 10 best hotels in Oslo. Whether you're here for culture, cuisine, or just soaking up those Scandinavian vibes, these hotels will make your stay unforgettable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more travel guides and hotel reviews. Drop a comment below and let us know which Oslo hotel you're most excited to stay at. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!